Hello everyone, this quick video will cover some information that will help you complete chapter 2, how to enter information into a worksheet. You will also learn how to use formulas a little bit more extensively, how to manipulate data and structure your worksheets, and also how to print them. So in this exercise, you will practice entering information to Excel using these formulas, functions, and features that are pretty common to almost all accounting applications. So you have to start Excel and click the Open Other Workbooks, Browse, and then navigate to the open window to the location of the student files, wherever you save those. Remember, those student files were provided to you on the home page of your Welcome Start Here. And I think that I downloaded here the wrong one, so I'm just going to take a moment to go back, take a look where the files are located. It should be on your home page, and if you scroll down, there are some Excel data files. And then I go and look at the student file, and it's the chapter 2, and it would be chapter 201, I believe. I just have to look at my book. It is, yep, that's the one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to Excel and import this book. It will be open, and I did not save it on my computer just temporarily. So I'm going to close the empty one and then just open the actual file here for you guys. Put it in the screen. All right, so now you know that there's different sheets, right? And then I am on the sheet number 1, and make sure that you've enabled editing, otherwise you won't be able to enter anything. So you are provided some instructions. It says click on cell B7, so this is column B right here, and then you go to 7 and it would be right here. Click on cell B7 and type a number. So you are basically prompted to put in some values. I just copy them and paste. All right, and then press enter. And then the number is automatically formatted. You will learn more about this later. Okay, and then you are instructed to put some more information in cell B8. All right, so I am doing that. And cell C20, again, you go and look at the column and then see where that is. So it would be sales revenue in column C, and you would go and then you see the content like that. That means that you have to expand the view because the number is larger in that cell. Okay, that's the signs, pound key signs. You just resize it. Cell A26, that's here. It's asking me to label it as a total. So you see it's not that difficult. Press enter. All right, and then you got it. First few steps. All right, so in the end, you put some information here, and it's asking you to, the instructions are asking you to add in more numbers, suppliers, the prepaid expenses. So you just go ahead and fill it out. And you can also follow the instructions. They are telling you how to change column width and row height of a worksheet. So you can always place your pointer here, hold it, and then you see how the measurements are changing. And then also same here, the height. Okay, this is the width, that's the height. Okay, just simple tasks for you to complete. Then you are asked to edit data. B25, so you have column B, you go on B25 under utilities. There should have been a value put here. You just double click on it and then type the new value on top. And you should have new number there. Just note that I have not entered all the values yet. Okay, then you go to B9, probably the same thing. You're supposed to have a value in there already, and you just replace it. Then also, if you go to the edit up here, there are things that you can change back. So undo typing, you can cut, paste, copy. So these are all very common things you can do. So you are supposed to just follow the steps in the assignment. Okay, there's, for example, ways to format, shortcuts. Okay, let's say I put here number, okay, and it's not formatted. Note that it doesn't have any commas. It's not formatted as a number, but if I do want to format it as a number, I click on a number that is already formatted, and I do click here, copy formatting from one location. So I'm just going to click on that brush and I'm going to format it here. And of course I have to expand the view, and now you see this as a number, right? So then if you also right click, then you have other options here. It tells you format cells. You can do it that way as well. And then I can say, well, I want that number to be formatted as a currency. Okay, so then I'll also give you how many decimals you want to add. You can choose symbol. I can choose $sign. Okay, and then I would go at the bottom and click OK. And now I have a $sign here. So see, this is fun. Not as difficult as it may seem. So I hope you have fun with this exercise. Just follow all the steps, complete all the steps in the textbook, and let me know if you have questions.